Guangdong Taike Intelligent Equipment Co., Ltd., was founded in 2006, is a national high-tech enterprise, integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service. The factory is headquartered in Dongguan, a world-renowned manufacturing hub. Since its inception, the company has been committed to producing top-tier, high-precision CNC machine tools and ascending into the global first tier of the machine tool industry. Through relentless innovation and craftsmanship, Taike has forged a distinctive path of excellence in the field, adhering to the spirit of grinding a sword for 20 years. It has always been at the forefront of the field of precision CNC machine tool. As one of the earlier Chinese enterprises involved in independent research and development of precision Swiss sliding headstock lathe, it participated in and drafted the industry group standard for precision longitudinal cutting CNC lathes. It has won the title of National High-Tech Enterprise and Guangdong Private Science and Technology Enterprise. It has successively obtained 46 invention patents and application type patents and has passed certifications such as ISO 9001 Quality Management System, Environmental Management System, and Measurement Management System. The process technology and practical experience accumulated over 20 years have enabled us to create numerous high-tech products, striving to achieve a high integration of product performance and efficiency, and providing efficient processing solutions for industries such as aerospace, medical devices, optical instruments, new energy vehicles, 5G communication, 3C digital products, smart home appliances, intelligent robot, auto parts, and various other hardware accessories. Products sell well in over 30 provinces, municipalities directly under the central government, and autonomous regions across the country. The products are also exported to more than 20 countries and regions such as Vietnam, Malaysia, Kazakhstan, Turkey, Thailand, India, Brazil, Sri Lanka, Mexico, and Egypt. Long-term and stable strategic partnerships have been established with many internationally renowned brands. Taike has formulated and implemented stringent quality management standards to ensure rigorous inspection throughout the entire machine tool manufacturing process. With 45 inspection protocols, 632 quality checkpoints, and a 48-hour high-speed full-stroke load testing procedure, the company guarantees superior quality and precision at every stage, from raw materials to finished products. Beyond pursuing excellence in hardware quality and performance, Taike focuses on maximizing machine functionality while minimizing non-productive processing time, thereby significantly boosting operational efficiency. The machine tools feature intuitive interfaces and enhanced capabilities, substantially improving on-site operational ergonomics by continuously adapting to meet customer needs. For both efficiency-driven and diversified manufacturing requirements, Taike delivers innovative production solutions that create sustainable added value for clients, while establishing a modern corporate management system. The company remains dedicated to advancing technical training, talent cultivation, and skill enhancement. Looking toward the future, Taike will uphold its developmental mission of people-centered values, innovation-driven progress, commitment to high-end domains, and quality excellence, striving to build an employee-satisfied company, a customer-enchanted company, and a socially respected company.